Hi guys, welcome back to Kendal SEAT. My name's Lewis. I'm just going to give you a little walk around video of this lovely magnetic grey SEAT Arona FR. And with it being an FR, it's got the classic contrasting black roof. So I've obviously got the FR interior styling with the detailing in the middle of the seats. So this car comes with full service history. It's just had the one owner. It's a 70 plate, as you can see. We've got sat nav, Bluetooth connectivity, we've got DAB radio and full link, so you can stay connected on the move, and that's all shown on the colour touchscreen just in the middle. We've also got the SEAT drive profile. We've got a wireless charging pad for your phone down there, dual zone climate control. It's a 6-speed manual version. As you can see up there, we've done 17,539 miles. We've got the multifunctional steering wheel with FR detailing at the bottom of it, with trip computer and audio controls on either side. And the FR styling carries on to the front seats with the red sports stitching around the outside, just to give it that sporty feel. This car really won't be around for too long. If you're interested or if you want a bit more information, feel free to get in touch with us. You can give us a call on the number down below. You can drop us a message on our Facebook page, or you can come visit us in person. We're based on the north of Kendal, just on Queen Katherine Avenue by the Morrisons. So that's all guys, thank you very much. Bye for now.